tafliad hir, a Far Carson yr amddiffynwr canol yn hyrddio hon I mewn. Yn ofloeddio fod Kelly wedi defnyddio I fraich. Gododd Kelly I fraich yn sicr, fe darodd y bêl I fraich yn sicr. Dyma Sheridan, mas o hi at Craig Williams. Croesiad da, peryglis, digon o grysau coch. Kelly Pempella. Rushton! Rushton! Gwrth ymysodiad yn hollti amddiffyn Cei Connah. A Rushton, blaenwr sydd wedi bod yn ddyfal o'r diwedd yn cael cyfle da o flaen y gôl. Kelly'n gwneud yn dda I achub y symudiad. A Rushton o dan bwysau yn troi a claddu honna. Gyffyrddiad pert iawn I guro'r amddiffynwr. Gwych gan Rushton. Dyma Danny Holmes. A dyma Wolf yr eilydd! Liman wedi chodi, ond fe roedd Wolf ddim I wybod. Y bêl yn cwmpo'n garedig iawn ar ei dro'r chwith. Kelly yn trio clirio, methu gwneud. Wolf I drio manteisio. 4 Christy yn aros, a dyna gyfle ar y postyn pella. Neth o Wolf yr asgellwr yr eilydd yn creu argraff yn syth a gosod hon ar blat I Callum Roberts. Nawr y bil yn dod mewn, beryglis i'r canol. Mae yna floeddio fan hyn fod yna law. Mae yna gyrff yn hyrddio I mewn I bob cyfeiriad. Mae'n smonach yn y canol na. Ac un peth sydd gan Lee Evans y dyfarnwr I weir, chwaraewch mlaen. Rushton mas ar y dde, mae Callum Roberts y fe ar y llawr. Roberts wedi codi a mae'n wthio eto yn y cwrt cosbi. Nawr mae'n ofloeddio am gicrydd arall. Y Drenewydd yn parhau I bwyso. Mitchell i'r canol. Honiadau gan y Drenewydd fod yna lawio. Yn sicr, Danny Harris yn ffodus. Dyma gyfle arall am gicwr smotyn efallai Rushton o dan bwysau gan Far Carson. Yn sicr, dwi wedi gweld rheina'n cael ei roi. Far Carson, taflu pêl hir, pêl syml, tuag at Bacare, sy'n heibio, codi'r bêl dros bedr y golwr. Dave Jones yn gandryll gyda'r dyfarnwr a'i gynorthwyydd. Bacare yn dathlu, Cei Connah yn dathlu, wedi unioni'r sgôr. Michael Bacare yn dianc rhag Ciara Mills-Evans yn ei chodi ddi yn gelfydd dros ben Dave Jones. Ond dwi'n credu fod e'n gwestiwn dilys ble oedd Michael Bacare pan darwyd y bêl yn y lle cynta. Gornel arall i'r tîm cartre. Dyma'r peniad ar y postyn agosa. Yr eilydd George Harry newydd ddod i'r caw. Wedys I fod e'n chwymwth a fe ddihangodd rhag yr amddiffyn. Nid y tala yn y crys coch yn sicr. Kelly i'r canol. Owen, cyffyrddiad da I lwybr. Morris o bellter I daro! Dave Jones yn dilyn honna, fe symudodd honna yn yr awyr. A Callum Morris yn sicr yn gallu taro'r rhain o bellter. Pas dda gan Wolf yn y cyfamser. Morris eto ar hyd wyneb y gôl. Cyfle arall i'r capten. Bacare! Am gyfle I gipio'r triffoedd ag arwr fydde fe wedi bod yn sicr. Bacare yn gosod honna dros y bar.
On reflection, you know, I'm happy to leave here with a point tonight on that performance because it doesn't matter whether we're playing Newtown or we're playing the Dog and Duck. If we start a game of football like that, we'll struggle. And, you know, we've had a week's rest. We had 3 games in 6 days where we were very, very good. We've had a week's rest and we've turned up tonight and it's apathetic performance as I've seen since I've been at the club. But somehow we dug ourselves out of it, you know. If things had gone away and a bit of luck, we thought we had a penalty in the first half. I think if the referee wants to give them, there's 5 or 6 penalties tonight because there's handballs in both boxes and you can't give them, you know, unless it's a clear, deliberate handball or it's a clear penalty. And, you know, another referee might have given the one on John Disney in the first half. Another referee might have given the one on our handball, but they don't. And I'd rather it be like that. You know, it's got to be a clear penalty for it to be a penalty. And, you know, like I say, I'm pleased to leave with a point tonight because that's as poor a first half as I've had in 2 or 3 years.
It was a crazy spell for about a minute and a half in our box where I think we could have had 2, maybe 3 penalties. You know, the handball, the foul on Nick Rushton. I mean, you know, I'm not sure. You know, that's a pen. If it's anywhere else on the pitch, it's a free kick. You know, if Nick's had to come off with an injury, it's a definite pen. You know, that's 1-0. That goes it. You know, that we get that. We're 2-0 in front, and then to rub real salt into the wounds, they go up the other end, and you know the players are convinced he's offside. But you know, look, we didn't get the rub of the green tonight. But what I'm really pleased about mostly is at 1-1 and you've not had the decisions and things have gone against you, that we didn't fold and we kept going and we kept going, and then we've made a couple of subs. George has had a great chance off a corner, and we've kept plugging away, carried the threat on the counter attack, restricted them to a couple of chances, which is, when you play Connah's key and you restrict them to the chances that we did throughout the game, it shows how well we've done. But the only disappointing thing is we weren't able to take the 3 points tonight, because I thought our performance merited that.